Good morning, everybody. It's January the 15th up here in Alberta, Canada, central Alberta, Canada, Wainwright, Alberta, to be exact. It's been very, very cold the last couple days. Right now, looked at the Weather Channel, it is minus 40 degrees Celsius, feeling like minus 51. For our neighbors to the south, that's minus 40 Fahrenheit, feeling like negative 60 with the wind chill. In the garage right now, it is about negative 1.5. So we're going to do some cold start videos today. First one is on a 2019 Dodge Ram Sport. And I had it running yesterday, but we're going to see how it does again today. It's been this cold for a couple of days. Overnight lows. So we're going to go out and we're going to see how this does. She rolled over really slow yesterday. And here we are. Little stiff today. Okay. So right now, it says minus 33 on this thermometer, but it is a little out because it's minus 40. See how she goes. There she goes. Tires are low. Surprise, surprise. It's minus 33. Like I said, it's minus 40 out. This is a few degrees out. A little slow, but it lives. So now, I'm going to stop this video. We're going to do another video. I'm going to drive to my RV, 1976 GMC Tasca. 454 big block, 36,000 original miles. We'll see you in a few minutes.